Welcome! Today I will show you how to mix colors in a drawing and a super simple solution for making great character eyes. And the best part is that this technique works with any medium. So let's get started! So as you see, drawing eyes is as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming up is a sketch of the highlighting for the eye. If you want to move the highlighted area to create an alternative light angle, just remember to also rotate the lighter and darker areas so it looks natural. So this time I decided to complete one eye at a time so you could see how flat the unfinished eye looks compared to the finished one. Using the techniques I have described in this video really helps to bring out the shape in the eye. Is one of my favorite sections. It's where I use the complementary contrast red and green to create a really dark rich hue for the pupils. And even though it appears black, when you see the detailing later in the drawing, it's really lifelike and it's just such a great way to add depth and still keep the colors vibrant. Coming up next is more color theory, where I'll use warmer shades where the light is hitting the vide, and then I will use colder shades on the area where the shadow is, and that would just make our fly pop even more. And remember, you can use this for any drawing. Show you how I use complementary contrast to add depth to other areas of the drawing. I could have used other sets of contrast like blue and orange, purple and yellow, to mention some. But for this particular drawing, the green pair is a natural choice because of the color of the fly itself. So that's almost it for the fly. This is part 1 of 3 for this illustration. Next up is the light you see here. I will post it as soon as I'm ready with a great edit. Feel free to subscribe if you want to catch my next video. Thank you for watching and have a colorful day.